Good day, everyone. My name is Julieways. I'm a new Nigerian YouTuber based on FCT Abuja. So, if you're seeing this video for the very first time, just know that this is my very first YouTube video. Okay, so I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. That is Julieways. That is the name of my channel. I just want to welcome everybody watching me right now. I really appreciate you for taking your time, honestly your time, to watch this video. I'm grateful. May God bless you. So in this channel I'll be posting lovely DIYs like what I'm wearing now. If you can see it's this accessory I'm wearing, how to make it, even this top I'm wearing, how to make easy wears in your comfort of your own house. Even though you're not a tailor, I'll put you through in how to make all these simple wears you can be wearing in the house. Not as if I'm a professional tailor. I'm not a professional tailor, but I just love making easy wears at home. You can just learn how to make it for yourself, for your kids. Like this lovely necklace, you can make it and sell. So I'm teaching you guys how to make lovely necklace, how to embellish wears, make your clothes. Not everybody can afford stoning of clothes. Stoning of clothes is quite expensive. And I know it's not everybody that know how to stone. So but in my video, in this channel, I'll be showing you guys how to stone. And I also show you guys the original stones and fake stones. We have a lot of fake stones. If you don't know difference between original stones and fake stones, they might sell fake stones for you and you will know. Now you buy it and you even buy it very expensive, like you are buying original stones, meanwhile you're buying a fake stone. So I'll be showing you guys the difference between original and fake stones. I'll also show you guys how to bead your clothes. There are some clothes that you want to bead, and when you take it to market they'll be charging you a lot of money. I would just sit down. I will teach you how to do all these things in your own house. You will stone your clothes. Lovely. Tailor might sew it for you. You be done to stone it yourself. And it will come out nice, guys. It will come out nice. So I'll be showing you guys a lot of things on this channel. Just stay glued. Always watch my channel. And you will learn a lot. I'll make sure you learn a lot because I'll take my time to make sure you understand everything on the tutorial. So just sit and watch. I'll be showing you cooking tutorials and all of that. So a lot of content for you guys. Just always comment, like my post, share it. I'll be very happy. I'll be very grateful because we're all family. Is you guys that will make this channel to grow. Without you guys, there will be no Julieways. So please always watch my channel, share it, like, and also comment. If you have any other question you want to ask me, just feel free and ask. We are families. It's you guys that will make it to grow, not me, but you people. So just stay glued, enjoy my content, and you won't regret it. Always comment, always like, always watch all the ads they'll be playing on the channel. Just watch it. Okay, watch it. I also want to appreciate my manager. Even when he's not even in Nigeria, he took his time to always coach me to make sure Julieways come to life. I want to appreciate my manager Meki Sopruchi. I'm grateful. I also want to thank my sister. You're such an amazing woman. Thank you so much. Nurse Rita, I appreciate you. God will bless you. And I also want to appreciate my lovely husband, Chigozie Odinye. You are such a lovely man. I'm grateful for everything. Always providing all my gadgets. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I will not let you down. I won't let you down. Thank you, guys, and always watch my content and you regret it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking your time to sit and watch till the end of this video. I appreciate you. God bless you. Bye.